Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the most extreme car show on the internet. Today we have an insane lineup: Rolls Royce, Porsche, Mercedes, American Muscle. The goal is simple: climb the wall of death. Who will survive? Grab your popcorn and sit tight, because tonight we are defying the laws of physics live from the Los Santos Proving Grounds. So let's go. The Rolls Royce Cullinan, the most expensive SUV in the world. But here's the problem: it weighs almost 3 tons. Gravity hates weight. The V12 engine is strong, but the physics engine says nitrogen monoxide. Too much luxury, not enough friction. It proves that you can buy luxury, but you cannot drive gravity. First up, the Mercedes AMG. Usually low sports cars scrape their bumpers and fail immediately. But look at this! The low center of gravity acts like a magnet. It's not climbing, it's sticking to the surface. German precision at its finest. Next up, the off-road legend, the Jeep Wrangler. It eats rocks for breakfast, but this ramp is a different beast. Look at that suspension wobble. It's bouncing like a basketball. The problem is soft articulation. It's designed to absorb bumps, not to climb vertical walls. It fought hard, but today, the king of the mountain has been dethroned. The two-door beast returns for the mega ramp. How does the RW10 sports car do this? It's downforce physics. As it speeds up, the air pushes the car into the ramp, giving the rear tires 100% grip. It defies gravity with speed. Gravity is just a suggestion. Perfection in every gear. The Camaro CL1, a beast on the drag strip, but terrible here. Why? Because it's RWD. All that horsepower is just turning into smoke. You can't climb a wall if you're just burning rubber. This car is designed to dominate the drag strip, but this ramp is its worst nightmare. Listen to that engine scream. But look at the rear tires. It's pure burnout city. All that horsepower is useless without traction. It is trying to fight gravity with brute force, and it is losing. Instead of climbing, it's just turning expensive rubber into smoke. And now, the wild card of the day, the tiny Citroën. Look at it. It looks less like a car and more like a toaster on wheels. It is brave for even showing up to a challenge meant for V8 monsters. It starts the climb and immediately regrets everything. The engine sounds like a sewing machine fighting for its life. It barely has 8 horsepower. It reaches the first incline, freezes, and rolls back down. The Hellcat. Listen to that whine. That's the supercharger forcing air into the engine. Unlike the Camaro, the wide body kit gives it wider tires. More rubber on the road means more grip. It's brute forcing its way up. Subscribe for extra power. This car screams freedom with every cylinder. It's not using physics, it's using pure anger. While the Camaro slipped, the Hellcat just punches the asphalt until it obeys. It drinks fuel like water, but hey, it gets the job done. The Porsche 911. Here is the secret physics hack. The engine is in the bay ACK. That means the weight is pressing down on the rear tires, giving it 100% traction. It's the perfect design for climbing. Flawless. It didn't just climb the ramp, it humiliated it. While the others fought for grip, the 911 made it look like a casual Sunday drive. Let's look at the fallen heroes, the Rolls Royce, Jeep, Camaro, and Citroën. Sadly, physics was not on your side today. Too heavy, too bouncy, or just not enough grip. Ladies and gentlemen, meet the titans that conquered the wall. The Mercedes AMG, the Dodge Hellcat, and the Porsche 911. If you enjoyed this series and want to see more episodes like this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, let us know your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. Thanks for watching and see you in the next challenge.